Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are my returning subscriber, I say you are welcome. So today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut a perfect short sleeves and a long sleeves. So if this is what you like to learn, please stay tuned to the end of this video. So these are my pattern papers. We are going to use one for the short sleeves and then one for the long sleeves. And these are my tools. Starting with the short sleeves. This is my pattern paper folded in half, as you can see. So I'm going to draw a starting line on top of the paper. So this is our starting line, and the first thing to do is to mark your cap height. And to get your cap height, you divide your bust by 12, and whatever you get is your cap height. So in this case, I'm using 4.5 for my cap height, 4.5 inches, and I'm going to roll a line. So the next line I'm going to mark is the length of the sleeves, and I'm taking 8 inches. You can go more than 8 inches, you can go less, but I'm taking 8 inches for the length of the sleeves, and I'm going to mark it and draw a line. So next, I'm coming back to this starting line, and whatever I got for my cap height, I'm going to extend it up like this. So I got 4.5 inches, so I'm marking 4.5 inches on this top part like so. Then I'll come to the cap height line and then mark around my arm. That's the highest part of your arm, which is 15 inches divided by 2 is 7.5. So I'm going to mark 7.5 inches here. Then I'll come to this 4.5 inches point up here. So from this up to this cap height line, I'll find the midpoint by folding my tape in half. This is the midpoint. Then I'm going to take my curve ruler. I'm coming back to the starting line. I'll mark 2 inches. So I'm going to place my curve ruler on these 2 inches here and draw a curve line to this center point here. Then I'll turn my ruler like this towards this around arm measurement point here, like so. You see? So the next thing is to measure around your sleeve and divide it by 2. My round sleeves is 13 inches divided by 2 is 6.5 inches. I mark it here. So the next thing to do is to measure around here. That's your around armhole measurement. To do that, dividing your bust circumference by 6 and then adding 1.5. So I got 9.5. I'll add 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance, and on the around sleeve I'll add 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So this is it. So you see how simple it is. This is our short sleeves and it's ready. So I'm going to cut it out and then start with the long sleeves. So guys, you see how simple it is. This is our short sleeves. You can see that. So now we draft the long sleeves. So this is my pattern paper for the long sleeves, folded in half. I'm going to draw a starting line on top of this pattern paper. So next, I'll be marking my cap height, which is 4.5 inches. If you can remember, the cap height for the short sleeve is 4.5 inches. So I'll mark 4.5 inches here and roll a line. Then the next thing I'll do is to mark the length of the sleeve, which is 23 inches. After marking the 23 inches, I'll go up to the cap height and mark 4.5 inches on top of this line. Our cap height is 4.5 inches, and then you extend the 4.5 inches here to the top. And then the next thing is to mark the around arm measurement, which is 15, and the half is 7.5. So I mark 7.5 here. So the next measurement to take is your elbow measurement. And my elbow measurement is 12 inches. So now I'll come to this upper part here, and then you find the center of this line, which is 2.2. Then I'll take my curved ruler, then come up here and mark 2 inches. Then I'll connect with the curved parts of the ruler like so. See how I'm placing it? So from this 2 inches point to this center point like so, I'll turn my ruler like this and connect to this arm point here like this. Now you see that it's simple. Then I'll measure this line here to make sure that it's 9 inches, because around my armhole measurement is 18 inches divided by 2 is 9 inches, or you divide your around bust measurement by 6 and then you add 1.5 inch to get your armhole. So I'll add 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. Come to the elbow, then you take your tape and measure around your elbow and divide it by 2. So around my elbow is 12 inches divided by 2 is 6 inches. I mark it here. Then I'll add 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. Then coming to around my wrist is 10 inches divided by 2 is 5 inches. So I mark 5 inches here like so. Then I add 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. Hope you understand. This is just simple, and you can use this for so many sleeves. So I'll be connecting the line from this point to the elbow and then to the wrist. So guys, this is our long sleeves. So the next thing to do is to cut it out. So guys, this is our long sleeves. You can see that very easy to make. This is our long sleeves and this is our short sleeves. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also share my videos to help this channel grow. And if you have any question for me, you can leave it down the comment section below. So don't miss out on my next video. Thank you for watching.